Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find x value. Solution we are going to have in two methods. Here method 1. X plus 8 whole power 2 equal to 36. Now we are going to apply this algebra formula here in first method. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This formula we are going to apply here. So here a is x square plus 2x, b here is 8 plus 8 square equal to 36. Here x square plus 2 times 8 is 16x plus 8 square is 64 equal to 36. Now we are moving this 36 left hand side. So x square plus 16x plus 64 minus 36 equal to 0. Now x square plus 16x here plus 28 equal to 0. Now this 16x equal to 14x plus 2x. Same way 28 can be written as 14 times of 2. So we are going to apply this 16x here and 28 here. So x square plus 14x plus 2x plus 14 times of 2 equal to 0. Now this x we are going to take common. So x open bracket, here remaining x plus this 14 plus we are going to take 2 common from this to this. So 2 open bracket, we have x plus 14 equal to 0. Now we have x plus 14 common. So x plus 14 open bracket, this x plus 2 equal to 0. Now we are able to see two equations here. One is x plus 14 equal to 0. Other one is x plus 2 equal to 0. Here x equal to minus 14. Here right hand side x equal to minus 2. These are the possible answer in first method. Now we are going to solve in second method. The equation here is x plus 8 whole square equal to 36. Now we are going to take a square root on both sides. So x plus 8 whole square in square root equal to plus or minus square root of this 36. Now this square and square root will cancel each other. Now we have x plus 8 equal to plus or minus square root of 36. Now x plus 8 equal to plus or minus 36 square root is 6. So this can be written as x plus 8 equal to 6 comma and negative is x plus 8 equal to minus 6. Now x equal to 6. This plus 8 comes in right hand side, minus 8. So x equal to minus 2. Here x equal to minus 6. This plus 8 comes right hand side, minus 8. So x equal to minus 14. This is the same answer we got in second method. Now we are going to verify this. Verify with the equation x plus 8 whole square equal to 36. Now applying this x here, minus 2 plus this 8 whole square equal to 36. Here 6 square equal to 36. So 6 times 6 equal to 36. Here it is 36 equal to 36. So LHS equal to RHS. Now we are going to apply this x equal to minus 14. So minus 14 plus 8 whole square equal to 36. Here minus 6 square equal to 36. Here minus 6 into minus 6 equal to 36. Here it is 36 equal to 36. So LHS equal to RHS. Here we have verified in both the x. Thanks for watching this video.